out there today. Thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to show y'all proof that Dosh has been paying and how you can easily cash out with Dosh. If you don't have Dosh right now, download it. I've been telling y'all to download it and share it with your friends and use it for your to get cash back from places you already go. But what I want to show you, I want to withdraw some money. I want to withdraw all of it. I have $1,500, almost $1,600, and today is the first. Happy New Year's. But you know, you guys, I've been putting in work. You see the promotion on the 31st, and then it changed it back to $5. I told y'all to get in when it was $15. I told y'all to get in. You could have really made some money. You see what I made. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go ahead and transfer it. I'm gonna transfer the whole $1,585 to it. Press done. I'm gonna have that left in my wallet. And guys, just like that, see, it take 3 to 5 days to hit my account. Free money, people. Free money. I think I already liked it. I love it. So guys, download the app. Get you some money. See, I just made $10 just that quick. I just made another $10. It is for real, y'all, for real. You see it's pending. So, you know what I'm saying? That was my proof. Let you know Dosh is paying. Just go get your link and share it. You get $5 per person you bring in. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right? Peace.